Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a painting using Pempis acidula and skull stones. To begin with, we'll be needing super glue, skull stones, and of course our bonsai material. What is painting? Painting is an ancient Chinese art of making a landscape in a miniature scale. Penjing or penzai. Now that we have gathered all the materials we'll be needing, what we have to do is visualize kung ano magiging itsura ng penjing mo. Just like making a puzzle, but each piece correlates with the other pieces. Mas maganda siguro if you have a drawing or i-drawing mo muna bago mo gawin. But for me kasi medyo nasanay na sa paggawa ng painting. Kaya dinodrawing ko pa rin. Nakabulsa nga lang. Okay, let's start. Music muna tayo. Okay, let's check. Spin muna tayo. Spin. Spin. Spin pa rin. Spin pa rin. Nahilo na ang bato. So this time, marami pa akong nakikitang holes to fill in. Kasi kung di mo fill in yun, lalabas lang yung mga ilalagay mong pumice. So I'll be needing sphagnum moss. Pumice, matanghito, and pumice balatong, ang tawag nila dyan. At this point, I'm using pumice as a medium. And sphagnum moss muna tayo kasi wala pang mga greener moss at this time. So just to contain lang yung mga pumice para hindi magkakalat-kalat sa painting plate mo. At this point, nilalagay ko naman yung mga smaller stones to give depth. And also to give the natural look sa concept mo dito sa painting na ginagawa natin.
Put your loving hand. 'Cause I can't live without you. 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 'Cause I can't live without
Yan, okay na. Okay. Ikot na naman tayo. Ikot. Ikot. Ikot pa rin. Ikot pa rin. Sarah G, tapos na ang ikot. Yan, patapos na tayo. Check ko lang yung mga view. Yan, check muna natin. Baka meron pang nalulusutan din yung mga pumis. Yan. And since patapos na tayo. Okay guys, thanks for watching. So share, like, and subscribe my channel. Para makagawa pa ako ng mga ibang videos pa dyan. See you on my next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.